Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the shed. I am Lonnie.
Hey, good morning. I'm Candace. Welcome back.
We just got through packing our box knife orders for the day. They're ready to go out now. We had a very busy day yesterday. I was packing just about all day.
Yeah, till like what, 4 o'clock or something.
It was a lot.
It was crazy.
It was a lot. It was good though. Like sales are going pretty well. We had a really good sales day yesterday too. Yesterday was excellent sales day. So thankful for that. We've got some bigger ticket items have been going out. So
yeah, I think people are starting to shop for the holidays.
They must be, because we had last week we were preparing for our own garage sale a couple of the days, and like we listed very little last week. This was like a really bad week. Yeah, listing wise.
Yeah, we hardly listed anything.
But sales were fine.
Yeah.
So must be fourth quarter picking up. But we need to pick up our listing. I haven't listed anything. I didn't list anything here. Here, obviously. I don't think I listed anything this day. I'm not sure.
No, because we went to some sales that morning.
Yeah.
And then when we got back, you had to pack orders and.
Yeah, I haven't listed anything since mid last week. Yeah. So I need to get back on that today. Although we have been, it's not because we haven't been working.
Yeah.
We've just been doing other stuff. So Candace and I duck tag team those. Now I'm about to pull, I think, 14 orders that are going out today. And yeah, what you about to work on?
I'm gonna list probably about 20 more pins, and then I'm gonna get into some garage sale stuff we picked up last week.
Okay.
So.
All right, let's get started. Okie dokie. First up, 2 Delta. Sold, I think it's these over here. No, I thought that was bottom of shampoo bottles from way back there. It's not. Oh, I'm on the wrong shelf anyway. 2 Delta. This is a good start. Here we go. I think it's probably going to be in this box. Let's move these things out the way. And here, let's see, this is a something oil conditioner, rose oil conditioner. Those are in there. These sold for $24.99 plus shipping on top, and they are a good size to fit in this regional A box. Would y'all believe I only have 1 card going out today? I kind of stopped listing for a bit. I have more I can list. Got a little burnout. Got a lot listed though in a few weeks. U10 right here. This is a Mitchell Trubisky rookie ticket card. It's got a piece of jersey there, I think. This sold for $4.99 plus ship. 8 Delta. Sold some American Girl doll parts. Helmet, rollerblades, probably some knee pads in there or something. This sold for $19.99 plus ship. And on 10 Charlie, we sold a motorized Punisher monster truck thing. This has been listed for a pretty good while, I think. This sold, and you know what else, Candace? I'm pretty sure it was weird. It was sitting right here. I'm almost certain I moved it to pull something else yesterday. So touching the inventory worked yet again.
I'm moving this ink to another shelf. So let's see if
what are you doing?
This box of open ink was sitting up here and it keeps spilling out everywhere.
Oh.
So I'm moving it somewhere else.
Okay. Let's see if that works. All right, CC10 sold, I think, 1 box. No way I would have sold 2 boxes of these for $10. Okay, yeah. Sold 1 box of these KAO. Oh, this is made in Canada. Floppy disk for $9.99 plus ship. Then Candace's experiment with selling sewing machine parts. I think we've sold 2 things now. On this box. I think I need.
This is at least the 3rd thing.
3rd thing? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. think it's this. Yeah. I'm kind of surprised this sold. Yeah, P1. This seems like a big piece for somebody to lose, or maybe they broke it.
Broken.
Yeah. But this sold for $19.99 plus shipping on top. And Pocket 74, we sold a... Is it a Digimon? This guy's tiny. Yeah, it's a Digimon, little bitty one. $24.99 plus shipping for him. And over here, speaking of Digimon drawer. Although this time we're not pulling a Digimon. We're pulling a Fontanini. Fontanini.
I'm surprised that one sold. That's just a horse. It is from Nativity.
Yeah, maybe it's rare. Did you see another one like it?
That it came in like 3 different colors, and that color is not as common.
Okay.
Like the saddle and bridle and all that, you know.
Maybe we should have sent it in to get graded. Oh, they'll grade anything. Fontanini. Let me hear your best Fontanini. Fontanini.
Fontanini.
Look, if you're Italian or whatever it is, whoever it is we're offending, we apologize. It's just fun.
Yeah, we're from Louisiana, so we get hear of Cajuns getting made fun of all the time.
Fontanini. I do like the way that sounds, because it feels like it sounds like there's all emotions involved. Sounds like somebody's sad, happy at some point during the word, and maybe a little bit surprised. I like it. Oh, horse sold for $29.99 plus ship. All right, those are packed over there, and we're ready to pull some more stuff. I had someone contact me on eBay last night asking... Oh, this is small. Okay, good. I'm glad I did it for sure now. We had this priced at $149.99 plus ship, and got a message from someone in California. Did you see that, Candace?
Yeah, and I figured it was small because the shipping, when I checked the listing page,
was
like,
priority.
It was $7.
Yeah, priority. That would be priority to ourselves.
Right, but that's how I kind of gauge how big something is or heavy.
Yeah, so the message I got, though, was from a guy in California. He said, I'll buy it if you do 150 free ship. And so I'm like, that sounds pretty good, because normally we send offers out. When I do send offers to watchers, I send like 10% discount. And worst case for this is medium flat rate, which is like $14.
Yeah.
So it's very similar to just sending offers and still getting the shipping. So anyway, sold this for $149.99 free ship. All right, Candace, you're about to lose part of your collection.
Did you sell something?
Huh?
Did you sell something?
Did I sell something? I mean, we did.
What did we sell?
We sold your Little Mermaid snow globe
I thought you meant a Walmart pin.
Oh, no. No, I meant for your collection from the top of the desk. And that inventory location did say desk. So this is a really neat snow globe, actually, huh?
Yeah, it's nice.
I like how the snow globe is just like an accent type piece and not the main event.
It's not the whole thing.
Yeah, it's cool. And it's like not quite as scary to ship. That sold for how much? Pretty good. $79.99 plus shipping on top. Where did we get that? I don't remember that.
We went to a garage sale that had quite a few snow globes we bought. Like that Snow White one.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
that one too, huh? That one's neat. Why didn't that sell yet?
I don't know. Yeah, they were from a garage sale.
Okay, cool. In Pocket 30, we sold another Digimon. I was just telling Candace, the Digimon, when she initially listed the Digimon, they did not fly off the shelves. But lately, we've been pulling at least one a day, and a lot of days it's been more than one a day. I'm trying to find, let's see, I think it's this one right here. Is that Pocket 30? Yeah. Just double check. Listening to some missing persons over here. Yeah. This guy sold for $24.99 plus shipping on top. And we sold some VHS tapes. So CC5? Yeah, CC5 was it. These three right here, Batman, the Riddler, and the Penguin, I think they're all animated. The Adventures of Batman. Yeah, they're all Adventures of Batman and Robin. Candace, we do have one thing coming from you. W16? 10B W16. Do you have that, or is it actually on the shelf?
Is that the Twin Towers?
Yeah, it's a Twin Towers pen. Remember, 9/11/01. This sold for some amount you see on the screen, because they actually got two things. The other thing is on CC11 over here, and it's this new pair of skates. It's a Disney Hallmark keepsake ornament. This sold for the amount shown on the screen. Together, they sold for $16.98? No, $17.98 plus shipping on top. So this is kind of exciting. We saw someone in the comments, I think.
Yeah.
Is that where we saw it?
Yep.
They mentioned they could upload 24 photos now. And guess what? When I haven't listed in days, but I'm listing the Dennis Rodman starting lineup right now, and I noticed that it said 10 of 24 photos. So I tried uploading some more, and look at them all. That is so awesome, and that changes everything, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm not supposed to aim the camera at you when you're chewing. Candace is eating some leftover chicken she made from last night with a balsamic vinegar reduction on it. Like, I was asking her what we were having last night. She goes on this, she sounded like a gourmet chef describing it. Oh, still wasn't supposed to aim the camera yet. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Like, we don't need that very often, but sometimes we list valuable things that you need to show all the defects or blemishes.
Or we list a lot. Sometimes we want to list lots. And
yeah, we do list lots of big items.
That
like
12, right, that 12 limit. That's the only time I ran into that limit much, is when trying to do lots of things. Mm-hmm. Now, 24 photos, that is so many.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Man, I'm so glad. I mean,
we've been talking about that. Like, what is the holdup? Like, you know?
No, it's awesome though. Like, kudos to eBay. Like, I complain about eBay a lot because they do a lot of stuff wrong. But lately, I've seen some changes. Like, and it might have been related to, okay, we want to do all these different things with the listing interface and change some features and whatnot, but the old interface was just so antiquated it was going to be hard to do, maybe.
Or maybe they just had a long list and they were like, look, it's better if we do it all at once instead of keep disrupting, you know, the sellers.
You know what would have been smart though, is if they would have had that 24 photos ready to roll when they first came out with that new interface. Yeah. And then we would have went to it voluntarily. Right.
Like, what was that, beginning of the summer it was trying to get us to start using it?
We would have went to it voluntarily if it would have had that. But yeah, that is an awesome feature and I love it. And I got to be honest, how are you feeling about the new interface, the listing interface?
It's not bad. It's still clunky to me. It's just taking getting used to.
It is a little clunky, but I am getting used to it, and I feel like I'm pretty fast with it now.
I just don't like having to go in and select certain things every single time, when before it was just automatic.
I don't.
Maybe we're missing something. I don't know.
The only part I don't love is the where you put in your different shipping options. That is clunky.
Yeah.
That is real. I wish, like, I like the old one with the check boxes.
Yeah, just a drop down would be sufficient.
Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, it works. It's fine. We're getting used to it. The old interface, by no means was the old interface awesome. It sucked. Yeah. So, like, a lot of that is just us being used to it and trying to learn new things. But man, that is huge. Yep. Does everybody have the 24 photos now, or is that like a slow rollout? Let us know. And one more thing, everything else is gone. As a matter of fact, I even did a trip to a UPS store just now to drop some other packages off. I'm gonna be going back again tomorrow to drop this off. I did have to go buy some boxes too while I was out, but we sold this Pioneer stereo, parts only. It didn't work. The cord was really bad too. Like, it was frayed to the point where if you grabbed it and it was plugged in, it would shock you. The insulation was missing off of a lot of it, so I cut the cord off just to prevent somebody from, oh, here's the stereo, let me see if it works, plug it in and they zap themselves. I didn't want that to happen. But yeah, sold this parts only as is, and I did, prior to listing it, I did pull all these knobs off and sold 6 knobs. I can't remember, it's either $13 or $15 a piece for the knobs. I don't remember, they're all gone. The only one I still have left is I have the large tuning knob that goes right here. This isn't sold yet, but yeah, this did get sold, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up now. Okay, stereo is done. That'll go to UPS store tomorrow. And I did want to go ahead, Candace had to go run an errand, by the way. I did want to go ahead and knock out at least one good listing. I've listed today 4 starting lineups, and I just put this listing up. Check this out. This is nice because I wasn't even counting the number of photos I was using, and I ended up using 15, which is pretty cool because now, instead of like trying to determine, okay, which shot is more important, this one or that one, and having to choose, now you just take all the shots you want, basically. Like, I'm sure you could go over 24, but I think that would be difficult. 24 is a good number. So I was able to get every angle of these that I wanted to get, including these little close-up shots of the stamps, because it's important on things like this to show like high detail where you can, like even the lenses. You can see, I wanted to make sure they could see these numbers and this model thing or whatever right here. These numbers inscribed here. That's probably, if Oakley is going to look at a marketplace, at the items on the marketplace, which I'm sure they do, they probably have a team that does nothing but scour looking for fakes. Then I want to give them things that they can look at to say, oh, okay, well, clearly this is legit. We'll move on to the next one. That's my thinking there, trying to, and I want the customer to see that too. So ended up listing this for $75, by the way. Paid $7 or $8 for them at a garage sale. But that is going to be it for this one. Thanks a bunch for joining us today, and we will see y'all again very soon. Bye, y'all.